48% of designers and engineers struggle with turf reinforcement mats because they often miss this crucial detail. At a bustling solar farm in Virginia, engineers had lined a channel with a turf reinforcement mat. The goal? To reinforce the vegetation to handle extreme storm runoff. But there was a hitch. After excavation of the channel, the vegetation was left to grow on the subsoil, then through the mat. This combination resulted in leaving the TRM bare and not at its fully vegetated designed performance capability. Enter Verdyol Biotic Earth Black. The team mixed it with seed, water and fertilizer, then applied it through a hydroseeding machine. And then the magic happened. Vegetation began to flourish, growing through the biotic earth and TRM, transforming the once barren channel into a verdant, high-performing waterway. The client's reaction? Sheer delight. The vegetation not only enhanced the visual appeal, but also maximized the performance of the reinforcement mat. This success story is a testament to innovation and perseverance in environmental engineering. It's a reminder that sometimes the right mix is all you need to turn a challenge into a triumph. So, next time you need your turf reinforcement mat vegetated, remember this solution with Verdyol Biotic Earth Black. Contact us to get this clever solution for your project.